What's the meaning of clear channel communications? Clear channel communications. Clear channel communications.
Clear channel communications. Clear channel communications. Clear Channel Communications is an American media company that specializes in outdoor advertising, including billboards, street furniture, and transit displays. The company was initially founded in 1972 as a small Texas-based radio station operator but has since expanded to become one of the largest out-of-home media companies worldwide. Today, Clear Channel Communications operates in more than 30 countries and has a diverse portfolio of advertising products and services. Its focus on outdoor advertising has helped it to create impactful campaigns that reach a large audience and generate high levels of engagement.